I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove Airbag Audi A4. Begin by disconnecting the negative battery terminal and waiting at least 10 minutes to clear residual charge. Make sure you have safety glasses and a steady work surface. Avoid using power tools near the airbag and keep a soft blanket nearby to catch the module if it falls. Follow the panel release points gently to prevent trim damage and proceed deliberately. Prepare your tools and workspace before touching the steering wheel airbag. Use a torque set, flat pry tools, and a 10 mm socket to remove trim and mounting bolts. Remove and organize fasteners in order so reassembly is straightforward. Always keep the airbag module facing upward and place it on a soft, static-free surface. Double-check that the car battery remains disconnected while you work to minimize risk of accidental deployment. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like for more car repair tips. Quick recommendation. I love the book The Simple Path to Wealth as a calming read while you work on projects. It offers smart money ideas that pair well with practical hobbies. Check the description for the link and other deals to support the channel, and thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Start removal by carefully releasing the steering wheel trim clips with plastic pry tools. Once trim is off, locate the airbag connectors and press the retention tabs to disconnect them, pulling straight out without twisting. Unscrew the mounting bolts with the correct Torx bit and lift the module straight out, keeping it level to avoid stress on wiring. Place the airbag module in a safe spot and double-check all connectors are clear before storing it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.